Good evening, guys. It's Emmanuel once again, and tonight we are looking on Hamster Morse Code for today, June 16, 2024. Okay, and let me get into my WhatsApp group. And tonight our Morse Code is token, T-O-K-E-N, token. So as usual, we're going to consult our chart. Okay. Now our chart is ready. Let's go to Hamster itself. So the first thing we do as usual is to activate it. Activate the Morse code. So you tap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the first letter on token is T. T. So let's get to T. And this is T. Okay. Just dash. Hold your phone once and release. Hold your phone once and release. So I hold my phone and I release. So T has been registered. The next letter is O. O. So what is O? O is dash dash dash. Hold your phone, release, hold your phone, release, hold your phone, release into 3. Okay, let's do that. Okay. I hold, I release, I hold, I release, I hold, I release. So O has been registered. The next is K. Letter K. So letter K is dash dot dash. Hold, tap, hold. Hold, tap, hold. Okay, let's do that. So hold, tap, hold. Okay, so the next is E. K has been registered. The next letter is letter E. And letter E is just tap. You tap on your phone and you release. You tap on your phone and you release just 1 dot. So let's do that. Okay, we tap and then that's letter E. So the last but not the least is letter N. Letter N. So letter N is dash dot. Dash dot. You hold your phone, then you tap. You hold your phone, release immediately, and then you tap. Let's do that. You hold your phone, I hold, release, then tap. Token. So that's it. Very easy. Take your prize and go. Please like, subscribe, and share. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.